Hello, in this video we are going to see infix to prefix conversion algorithm. Earlier we have seen infix to postfix algorithm. Now once again I will repeat, this expression is infix expression because operator is in between operand, and when this expression is written like this AB plus, where operator is written after operands, this expression is postfix. We are not going to see postfix. We have already covered postfix in earlier lectures. In this lecture what we are going to see is the expression where we are going to write operator first followed by operands plus AB. So this type of expression is called as prefix expression because operator is written prior or before the operands. So this type of expression is called as prefix expression. That is clear now. Now we will see the algorithm to convert the infix to prefix. First step is scan the infix expression from right to left. Earlier in postfix, again I am comparing this algorithm with postfix because it will be easy to understand and to remember. So in postfix expression, that is conversion of infix to postfix, we have read the infix expression from left to right, but here we are going to read the expression from right to left. Okay, from right to left, and repeat the step number 2 to 5 for each element of the infix. Right, now here what happens, see, that is sure you are going to read it from right to left. Now here what happens, if right parenthesis is encountered, then it is going to be pushed into the stack. Right, what is right parenthesis? This is right parenthesis, that is closing round bracket. It is also called as right parenthesis. If right parenthesis is encountered, then we are going to put it in the stack. If an operand is encountered, then we are going to adding it to the prefix expression. Okay, now this is clear about operand and right parenthesis. Now only thing remaining is operator. In operator you know that there are two conditions. First condition is add the operator to the stack. When we are going to add the operator into the stack, when the operator just read has lower precedence than the operator on the top of the stack. Right, then what we do, we pop all the operators from the stack and insert into the prefix string. Right, for example, if your coming operator is plus and the operator which is present in the stack is star, now the coming operator is having lower priority than the operator present in the stack. So what we do, we pop out this star operator which is present in the stack and we add it to prefix, and then we make a place for adding or pushing the plus operator. So after completion of this operation, what will be there in the stack? There will be only plus, and where the star has gone, the star has gone into prefix expression. Right, when you have to do this, when the operator just read has lower precedence. Right, when the operator just read has lower precedence, remember this, when the operator just read is having lower or equal precedence, then what we do, we remove or pop the operator from the stack repeatedly, and we are going to store it into the prefix expression. Step 5, if left parenthesis is encountered, then we repeatedly pop all the operators from the stack and we add all those operators from the stack to prefix expression. Right, and what we do, until the left parenthesis until the right parenthesis is encountered, we follow this step. Okay, then what we do, we remove the right parenthesis. Right, here there is a spelling mistake, it should be right, instead of left it should be right. Okay, make correction here also, it should be right. Okay, left and right, because what we are going to do, we are reading the expression from right to left. That's why the right parenthesis will be there in the stack, and when left parenthesis is encountered, we have to remove the right parenthesis. I hope you are understanding. Without example it is very difficult to understand the algorithm, so we take one example. We read one infix expression, opening curly bracket up to closing curly bracket, plus a plus into bracket b into c. This is the infix expression, and you have to convert it into prefix expression, right? What will be the prefix expression of this? First you will convert star bc, right, because star is having higher priority. Then a plus star bc will be converted like this, plus a, so final expression will be plus a star bc, right? So this expression you should get from the steps followed like this, right? So how to follow the steps, because there will be marks for steps in your exam, right? So how to follow the steps? So first what you do, you just make this column. Okay, now in this column what we do, we read the expression from right to left, right, from right to left. That means first I will get right parenthesis, again I will get right parenthesis, then I will see here, right, first I will get the right parenthesis, then c, then star, then b, then left parenthesis, then plus, then a, then left parenthesis. Okay, so these operators you have read. Now you have to make you the column name as operator stack, it should be operator stack, and a prefix expression, right? Now what we do, see here, what we do, we find it is the right parenthesis, we keep into the stack. Again we find the right parenthesis, we keep into the stack. We find the operand must go to prefix. We find operator, if there is an operator in the stack, no, operator keep it in the stack. B is an operand, go to the prefix. While writing in the prefix, you have to write from right to left. Okay, that means you should not write like this, CB, right? Instead of writing CB, the new operand should be added to the left side, because this is a prefix expression, no? So BC. So now you encountered left parenthesis. Whenever left parenthesis is encountered, we pop all the operators. There is only one operator, star, and we remove the right parenthesis. So what remains? Only one right parenthesis remain in the stack. Now plus is there, plus will be kept in the stack because stack has no operator. Then a is there, a will go to prefix, but how it will go? Earlier it was star bc, now a will be placed on the left side. Now what remains? Plus is there, a is there, and now only remaining is left parenthesis. Now plus will be added to the prefix expression and stack is empty. Why stack is empty? Because right parenthesis we have removed it. Okay, so I hope you understand the example of conversion of infix to prefix and algorithm of infix to prefix. In exam they will ask you the algorithm as well as they will give some examples to convert the given infix expression into prefix, or else they will ask you to convert the infix to postfix. Okay, thank you.